Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this tablet. So, to start off, hold the power button, then select power off, and when the device turns off you want to hold your power button and the volume up at the same time. Come on. I'm gonna let go of the power button considering the device is being stupid and isn't turning on right now. And holding it again. Come on. There we go. You can let go of the power button when you see the logo. And as you can see, this finally takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here, you want to select your data and then wipe cache partition. And we're done. So we can now select back, restart, and this will bring us back to the OS. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.